Welcome to this React PDF Viewer tutorial. In this video, you'll see how to create a Next.js application, install the Syncfusion React packages, import Syncfusion CSS styles, and integrate the React PDF Viewer into the application. Next.js is a React framework that makes it easy to build fast and SEO-friendly web applications, and with features like server-side rendering and routing. Let's start with creating a Next.js application. In Visual Studio Code, I open the terminal window and run the command npx create -next-app at latest to create a new Next.js application. I enter the project name to create the application folder. Next, I choose to customize the project settings. During the configuration, I select TypeScript to enable type safety in the project and enable EaseLint to help maintain code quality. I choose No for the React compiler, and Yes for Tailwind CSS. I select Yes to place the code inside a src directory, and Yes to use the app router. I choose No to customize the default import alias, and Yes to include the agent's MD file. The Next.js project is created. Next, I navigate to the created project folder and install the Syncfusion React PDF Viewer package and its dependencies using the command npm install at syncfusion/ej2-react-pdfviewer --save. To import the Syncfusion styles, I open the global CSS file, remove the existing code, and add the required styles for the application. I open the page TSX file and remove the default code. I add the use client directive to mark this file as a client component, since the PDF Viewer requires browser-based functionality in Next.js. Then, I import the PDF Viewer component and the required service modules from the Syncfusion React PDF Viewer package. Next, I define the PDF Viewer component. Inside the component, I set the ID, document path, resource URL, and style. In the style property, I specify the height of the viewer to control its display area. I then inject the required services. Finally, I save and run the application using the npm run dev command. As you can see, the PDF Viewer is now displayed successfully in the Next.js application. In this video, I have shown you how to create a Next.js application with the Syncfusion React PDF Viewer. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key for our PDF Viewer SDK if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.